All right, so at this point, we're going to do the other leg. So off camera, I did all the creases the same way I did the other leg. You're not really missing anything there. One thing I did forget to do off camera was do these. Let's do these here, as well as these here. Whoops. Okay, now we are going to make one little modification to this. It actually turns out that this has all of the flaps on it that you're going to need. So you can either go about this one of two ways. Either you can cut this off or you can cut that off. I'm going to try to cut that one off if I can get in there. All right, that's going to be a little challenging. So I'm going to cut this one off. Okay. Now I'm going to go in here and I'm going to fold this in. Make a good crease because that's a tab. So basically, this is going to go together like that, what you see here. Okay? As a matter of fact, that's actually not a half bad place to start. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and apply the glue to this tab right here. Then I am going to roll this over and crimp it. You remember how sometimes when we're folding these things up, these separate. Gotta go in there and fix that. We're gonna need that fixed before we do the next spot. Okay, there we go. Make sure those are folded over like that. Okay, very good. All right. Next thing I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to crimp this on. Whoops, sorry about that. Try to crimp that on right there. Apply a little bit of glue. Crimp that on there. Okay. All right. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to do this one and I'm going to do that one. I'm going to go in there, I'm going to try to crimp it. I'm just using the end of my finger and pressing down on it. Try to force that glue to start bonding. Same thing here, I'm going to reach in here with my thumb and press against this seam right here. See how I'm crimping this one? Crimp that one. Okay. Whoops, this one came undone. If these come undone, try pressing it down again. If it still doesn't want to go down, put some more glue on it and try again. Okay. Now, almost done with this leg. I'm going to glue this side. Now, what I'm doing here is not gospel. I'm not saying that the way I'm doing it is the absolute best way. If you watch this video and you conclude that there is a better way to do it, then absolutely do it the way that makes the most sense to you. And if you find that the glue is fighting you too much and you want to do tape, you can do that. Just be aware that tape on the outside of the thing might not look as nice, but it should still work. Okay, so that's basically how you're going to form that leg. Off camera, I'm going to try to finagle these glue joints a little bit more before I put it in there, but that's the basic procedure. You're just going to go in here, apply some glue to these tabs, try to crimp it down as best you can, and try to get that glue to seat. All right. One more video left, I believe. We are going to do the body, and then that's pretty much going to be it.